Good morning and good evening to all of you. So in this video, we'll discuss about another scenario-based question for Informatica or IICS. Okay. So suppose you have one table. The table name is test data. I have one table. Okay. And now in this table, I have inserted 7 records. Okay. Now, so you might have already seen in my previous video how we can work with even and odd records. Suppose if you have to load even records into one table and odd records into another table. Okay, or you can say that alternate records loading everything, which I have already discussed in previous videos. Now suppose someone asks you, okay, they don't want to insert even and odd records, but they want first record should be inserted into first table, second record should be inserted into second table, third record should be inserted into third table, then fourth into first, fifth, sixth, seventh, in this way in cyclic order if someone wants to record to get inserted. Okay, so how you can achieve this? Okay, now same question can be asked. Suppose you have to generate 3 files. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about how to load these cyclic data into of 3 tables. Okay, similarly it can be asked to 4 tables, 5 tables, 6 tables, depends on the requirement. Okay, now so how we can achieve this? Simply what we can do, first of all, if you see my mapping in IICS, so in this mapping, first of all, we have taken our source. Okay, and in source I have taken my source as my test data table. Okay, I have already taken this source. Okay, and if you see now if you see, these are my target tables, tgt1, tgt2 and tgt3. And in these tables what I have taken sequentially all of my 3 target tables. Now how we can implement this thing? So only few important stuff which you have to take care. First of all, uh, we have to connect the source transformation to source system to our first expression transformation. Okay, now if you see, this is my expression transformation. In the inside expression transformation, all of my incoming fields are coming. So as in source we are having only one field, it is coming this id column. Okay, which I have already shown you. If you see, this is the test data, it is having only id column. Okay, now let me go to sequence generators. It is little bit important to keep in mind here. In case of sequence generator, what we need to do here, uh, while creating of your sequence generator, you have to use first of all start value, initial value is be 1. Okay, increment by 1, and end value would be 3. Suppose if like we are you are planning to load the data into 3 target tables. Okay, now after that, this is important, so you have to put it cyclic. It means what will happen once it reaches to level end value is 3, it will again get started with 1, and automatically it will get increment by 1, 2, 3. I hope you are getting my point. So after that, what we can do? We have connected this qualifier as source transformation as well as sequence generator to our expression transformation. Okay, and we have already seen these 3 fields which are coming here. Okay, now you have to go to just router transformation. Inside the router, what we can do? We have to create 3 groups. Okay, let me go to, these are my incoming fields. Okay, incoming fields are coming as usual. Okay, now if you have to go to output groups, inside the output groups, what you have to do, you have to create these type of new groups. Now you have to go to a filter condition. Instead of simple, you try to select advanced option, and we have to, what we have to put, we have to put similarly. If you see, I have put next value equal to 1. Okay, in the first group. Similarly, for the second group, you can go and select next value equal to 2, third group next value equal to 3. Now easily you can just drag and drop first group to first table, second group to second table, third group to third table. That's all, simply we have done this. Okay, let me save. Okay, let me see if there is any data in these tables. Okay, let me run my mapping. Let us go to my jobs. It is running right now. So till the time it is getting processed, okay, let me try to run if it has been loaded. If you see, data has been loaded, and I think it should have been also been completed. Okay, to get it up, yeah, if you see here, 7 rows has been processed. Okay, all of my, so first group has been loaded with 3 records, second group with 2, and third group with 2. Okay, and why first group has been loaded with 3 records? Because in which order it should have been loaded, like let me show you. It is having 7 records. So first 101 would have been went to first table, 201 to second table, 301 to third table. Now 401 would have been went to again to first table. Okay, then similarly 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let me query these things. If you see here, 101, then 401, then 701. Okay, in the cyclic order. Similarly 201, 501 here, and 301 and 601 would have been loaded in my third table. Now what will happen, suppose if I rerun this mapping. Okay, okay, my mapping is getting executed. Okay, so I have what we record in first table. I am having 101, 401, 701. Okay, let me see the status of my mappings. If you see, it has been again loaded, and same records has been loaded. Let us go to first table again. 101, 401, 701. In this way, all the records have been loaded in the 3 tables. Okay, so this is a very simple video, but scenario based question. In the next video, I will try to generate 3 files. Like here, we have discussed about how to generate 3 tables. In the next video, I will try to generate 3 files simply. That's all from this video. Thank you.